Welcome back with an unconfirmed 3.8 magnitude earthquake that hit in Tulelake, Oregon. Happened at 12:48 a.m. Central Daylight Time. There's a coordinates depth of 6.2 miles or 10 kilometers. 12 felt reports submitted so far. So if you felt this earthquake, let me know in the comment section below and from where, as I do zoom into the epicenter. Appears to be just north of the school. Interesting purple roof there. It's an interesting house. Just knows that purple roof. I was like, okay, there you are. But appears to be near the Christian Fellowship Church. There's a school to the south, but no, that's a park. That would be the school. But nonetheless, the epicenter appears to be under this house here. So, with that, that is it. Stay safe. Well, actually, let's go through the felt reports. But yeah. Weak shaking, light shaking. There's a moderate shaking. But generally just weak and light shaking. And then there's a did not feel it. Okay. I was not aware of there being a huge crack for a 3.8. But nonetheless, that does seem to be it for right now. There's Clement Falls up by this body of water, which appears to be due to a dam. Yeah. That would be the dam that would be responsible for it. But nonetheless, that does seem to be it for right now. I'm just gonna screenshot this for the thumbnail. Stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye.